God's wonderful creations. Wow. God's wonderful creation. How beautiful it is.
1 minute lang ang kasa sa Instagram.
I know, it's a beautiful creation. It's so cold in here.